YouTube, I'm back with another video, y'all. So as y'all can see, I'm at McDonald's, y'all. I'm geeked. I'm happy because y'all know I'm about to get ready to grub. So y'all, I'm gonna be pranking D today, y'all. So I ordered the meal today. She's going in there to go pick the stuff up. So when she come back out with the meal, I'm gonna grab the bag though. And I'm gonna be dispersing the food, but only thing about that, I'm gonna be cutting her meal in half because you know once you pay for something, you deserve at least half of what you paid for. So I already know she ain't gonna give me no money back. So how I'm gonna get my money back is I'm gonna be cutting the sandwich in. So if she didn't put in on this meal, then I'm putting in. She's gonna be putting in by giving me half of everything she got. So y'all don't forget to like, comment.
What? Oh shit. 50-50 bullshit. Oh god.
Subscribe and y'all do what y'all do best. Go talk y'all smack in the comments though. Go ahead and do it.
Let me read the comments real quick. That 50-50 stuff is insane. I would never do that. 50-50. You talking about cutting half of the burger, get half of the fry, you get half of the soda. That is insane. The most toxic couple on YouTube. I don't think so. Not the most toxic, but yeah, pretty close. He need to grow up. At the end, when she got, oh, we can't. Nope. They spilling the beans. We gotta watch it. Right?
I'm not getting creamer and stuff for What the hell you breaking shit in half for? Why are you touching on my damn food?
What you mean?
No, you get that. I
get half the meal. I bought it.
How the hell you gonna get half of the damn meal because you bought the stuff? That don't even make sense.
That's how I do.
That's how I do.
Give me my damn sandwich.
And breakfast over with, so ain't nothing you can do.
Okay, it is something I can do. Okay. I'm about to go my ass back in there. Why are you touching on my damn food?
That's your hand.
I'm not eating that shit.
I'm not eating that.
I'm not eating that.
Go get you some lunch.
I'm not eating that. You pull this dumb bullshit. I'm not eating that shit.
So you better go get you some lunch then.
I'm not eating that. You might as well, then you touching all over the shit. You eat that and give me something else.
No, I told you I get half of the sandwich. Watch out, you overdoing it, dude.
Okay, can I get my straw, please?
Oh, yeah. Should I get half of that?
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
I told y'all get half that too. Yo, now I see why you said the most toxic couple. I see why, but nah, they're not the most toxic, bro. I've seen worse. I've definitely seen worse on YouTube, but very, very close, man. Very, very close.
How the hell you get half? You don't even drink these. You don't drink this.
It don't matter. I'm drinking it today.
Yeah, I just say you gotta drink it today.
Oh, you're not. No, you're not.
I'm getting half the stuff. You overdoing it, D, for what?
No, I'm not. You're not putting your damn lips on my damn drink. I don't know what the hell going on with you. You already touching the steering where your hands and shit ain't clean. I'm sure you did not. How the hell you wash your hands and sanitize your damn hands?
I'm eating right now. I'm enjoying my meal. Can I enjoy?
Okay, so you need to be figuring something out and getting me something.
Breakfast is over with, D. Breakfast is over.
Okay, so why did you pull this dumb bullshit, putting your fingers and hands all on my stuff?
Because I wanted half of what I bought.
I'm not eating that. I don't know what the hell you gonna do. I'm not eating that. I don't know what you trying to get me started. I don't know what's going on.
Thank you for going to get the food.
And you just laughing and smiling about that. You do dumb shit there. You have me get the damn food.
How am I doing anything dumb?
Next time I come with your ass, I'm not going to go get shit. You
won't get shit either.
I don't care. I get my own shit. I don't care. You go in there and get the shit yourself. You gonna pull that dumb shit. I don't want the shit. Never mind. I'll work my phone. I'll order me something. It ain't that deep.
I'm saying, what do you order? Breakfast is over.
I don't care. I'll get something to eat.
Yep.
You did that shit on purpose. Why are you touching all over people's food knowing damn well your hands ain't clean? What the hell are you pointing at?
I mean,
No. That ain't how the shit work. Didn't you get the drink for me?
That's my property, though.
I don't care. You bought it for me.
Can I have my
It's
property?
just like me buying something for you, and I'm taking the shit back. No,
I didn't buy anything for you. I wanted half of your sandwich, though.
You bought both sandwiches and that shit for you?
When a person,
Did you buy 2 meals and sandwiches?
I'm saying, though, when a person gets paid from their job, who takes the money from them? You got the state.
It does not matter. This don't have nothing to do with who
Okay,
gets paid
so
from the
I'm
job.
taking half of what I
You
bought, though.
bought me something. Close your damn mouth.
Though.
Quit spitting
I'm
shit.
just letting you know. That was tax.
I don't care.
That was tax.
I don't care.
Like when I paid them, I paid taxes, right?
At the end of the damn day, nobody told you to get me some damn food.
Okay, what are you angry for?
Because you're touching on my stuff. It's just like me buying you some food or whatever, and I'm sitting there touching all over my nasty ass hand.
I ain't never touched your food.
You broke the damn. You know what?
I'm
not about to explain the shit to you. You know what the hell you did.
It was never your food.
It was my damn
It never was your food.
It was definitely my damn food. Stuff don't be making no damn sense. I gotta clean this shit out of here. What the hell is you doing?
I need
No, you're not. No, you're not. You might as well stay your big ass over there.
I need to drink.
Stay over there and continue to eat. No.
I need to drink. I need something to drink.
You overdoing it. Move.
Can I have a
No,
drink?
no.
What you doing, bro?
What are you doing? Sit down.
A drink, bro. You overdoing it, dude.
Sit down before you break my damn bracelet.
What are you yelling for?
Sit the hell down. You not getting my shit. Get your damn plain nasty ass coffee that you ordered for you. Get your coffee.
I need half the drink.
No.
D, you basically drink. This is my property, bro. Watch out. Do you overdoing it, bro?
I just said no.
I
said no.
Overdoing it, bro.
Dude. Let the stuff go.
No, bro. Watch out. You overdoing it, bro. For real. D, calm down.
That's you. You making a mess of your damn car.
And you put your nasty ass hands on my food, bro.
So it wasn't yours. It was mine. Give me my stuff.
It's not yours.
Give me my drink now.
It's not yours.
Give me my drink.
You got lip gloss?
Give me my drink. It doesn't matter. How the hell you gonna wipe my stuff off my drink? Dude, give me my stuff, man. Give me my stuff.
Why you keep asking the same thing?
Give me my
You
stuff.
big and bold. Take your ass back.
That's not a damn question. I'm telling you to do something. That's not a damn question.
I need something to drink.
I don't care. You drink that plain ass, hot ass coffee.
What's about to show?
I don't care. That don't have nothing to do with me. You choking, that's what you get. God don't like damn ugly.
Dude, just be quiet.
No, you be quiet. Get your damn big ass, long finger out my damn face.
Damn, calm down. Let me eat in peace.
You should never touch my stuff. No, you cannot.
Can you chill, please?
You know what? Why?
I mean, he do got a point. You gotta just chill. Like, it gets to a certain extent. Like, either you finna go in there get you something to eat, you finna order you something else, or just don't worry about it. Like, it does get to a certain point where it's like, bruh, really? It's like, where's the emotional control? I think it's pretty simple. Either you're gonna go in there or order something else. You're gonna take your phone out or order something else, so you're gonna get you another drink with. Let them have all the stuff you bought, bro. Like, let them have it all. Okay, cool. You can have the little shake. You can have the food, the little breakfast food. Have it, bro. It's totally fine. Just order you something else. And this is the point where, like, I'm trying to tell y'all, she gonna have high blood pressure problems. There is no way in the world she not. It's impossible not to have high blood pressure with her yelling and screaming like that. It's bound to happen, y'all. Especially, I'm just like, bro, she can literally order her own food. She can go in there and get her own. Or whatever, she can go get another little milkshake, whatever, what that thing is. I don't even know what it's called right now. I can't even, because it's so stupid. A frappe. Go get another one. He just said he want all the stuff he bought. He want half of it, whatever the case may be. That's fine. You can have it all, dude. I'm finna go get me another frappe. Just go get another one. Like, it's just like, man. Why is she so combative? Why are you so combative? Why? I'm trying to understand. I can't wrap my head around it, y'all. Cannot wrap my head around it.
You touching on my damn straw.
It's over, bro.
What the fuck is your problem? Give me my stuff.
It's over.
I'm not playing, dude. Give me my shit. Give me my stuff. And then you wiping the shit off. But if anything, I should be wiping shit off that you eat and then touch on and lick on. Give me my stuff, dude. I don't care what the hell you saying. Give me my stuff now. No, I don't care. I don't care. No.
This is my drink. Stop touching
Give me
me,
my
bro.
stuff.
What you doing?
Give me my stuff now.
It's not yours.
Give me my stuff. It is mine. Give me my
I'm
stuff.
telling you that your man about to choke.
I don't care. That don't have shit to do with me. And your girl hungry. You don't care. You breaking shit in half.
Must not be hungry enough, otherwise you will took your ass there.
Give me my stuff. I want my drink. Once you give me my stuff, then I'll go in there.
Lee, chill out, bro.
No, give me my
chill
stuff.
out.
No,
Give me
I don't care.
Drink.
I don't care. You like
Lee,
getting
watch
my
out,
stuff.
bro. You overdoing
You
it,
watch
bro.
out. Give me my stuff.
This is my meal.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You got a nasty hot ass coffee. That's your fault. Give me my stuff.
Stop it, bro.
I don't care.
Watch out, bro. Matter of fact, get out, bro. You just overdid it.
I don't
Get
care.
out, bro.
I don't care.
Get out, D.
Give me my drink
No,
now.
it's not yours.
Give me
no,
my stuff.
I'm
Give me my stuff.
drink.
Give me my stuff.
No,
Okay.
I'm not
Never mind. I'll go in there and
Take
get
your
my
black
stuff.
ass up in there. I'm gonna leave your ass here too. Thank you.
Dude always doing stupid shit. Give me my stuff now.
You just told me that you was going in there.
Give me my stuff.
She just said she finna get out, and then she turns around and still argues with him. I'm telling y'all, we can't make this up, bro. And this is what I'm telling y'all. This is why he says, like, he be like, y'all argue y'all stuff in the comment section, because he understands that this person right here doesn't know how to make what you want to call it. What you want to call it? She don't know how to stand on stick. You just said you're going to get out of the car, you're going to get your own stuff. Then you turn around 2 seconds later, you still tell him to give you the shit. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's like you saying one thing, but then doing another. And that's why he plays so much. I can just imagine. I can just imagine.
Your ass in there.
Give me my stuff
I said
now.
no.
Give me my stuff.
I said no, I'm not about to
Give me my
argue.
stuff. I'm not about to argue with you either.
It was a prank.
I don't care. Give me my stuff.
I just told you it was a prank.
I don't care.
It was a prank.
I don't
bro.
care.
It's over with.
I don't
bro.
care.
Okay, D, move around, bro.
No, you move the hell
Yeah, I
around.
just told you it was a prank.
I don't care.
Well, I don't know what you
I don't care. Give me my stuff now.
No. It's not yours.
You give me my stuff.
You just said you was
Give me my stuff. I don't care.
You just
I don't
said
care.
you was going there.
I don't care. I don't care.
You must
Give me my stuff
you
now.
keep saying you don't
Give
care.
me my stuff.
D, I said no, bro. Watch out.
Give
Can
me
you
my
calm
shit.
down, bro?
No.
Damn.
Hey, anybody scared of your damn head going all the way to hell back? Give me my stuff now.
Can I finish enjoying the drink, please?
Throw the drink out the window. Nobody gets the drink. How about that? You know how you got to do kids? You just throw it out the window. Nobody get it now. How about that? I told y'all, it don't matter what the age is. They can be 80, 90 years old. If their brain set is still a child, it's still a child. The age don't matter. The age does not matter. If they act like a child, they quack like a child, they bark like a child, it's a child. They immature like a child, it's a child. You gotta treat it like a child. Like I said, throw that shit out the window, bro. Neither one of y'all get it. If I was y'all, I'd have took that shit. They both of them be like, I'm like, oh shit, neither one of y'all get it. How about that? Neither one of y'all get it. I'm throwing it away. Cause this don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. And for him, he already knew this was gonna be a bad idea.
Give me my stuff.
He already knew this was gonna be a bad idea.
Give me my drink now.
I was gonna give it back, but I changed.
Give me my stuff.
No, I'm not giving it to you. I don't like
And you just think that shit just so cute. You basically doing a prank of you taking your girl stuff.
That's not how
And
it's
you
supposed to
just
go
think the shit
It
is
looked
funny.
like I took your stuff, though.
That's what you did.
I didn't take your
That's
stuff.
what you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No,
Yes,
I didn't.
you
I didn't take
I'm going to
nothing
get
from
my own stuff.
There. You mad over what?
It took her damn near 10 minutes to get out and go get. At least 5 minutes. It's like, damn, you should have been did that. As soon as he started ripping this shit apart, and as soon as you like, damn, like you touching on all this stuff, as soon as he went in for all of that different hoax, you should have already been like, you know what? Let me just go get something else. It's totally fine. Should have already did that. You gotta be quicker with the results. Quicker. Not sitting here fighting back and forth with an immature guy, obviously, right? Man. All right, now we check the comment section out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's see. At the end, when she got out of the car, he looked as if he felt stupid about the prank, as he should. Right. If she wouldn't, don't fight back with him. Just get out. Do you. Right. He would have been felt stupid. He would have sitting there like, damn, I can't eat all this. I didn't even want all this. Right. She go in there and get her own stuff, just like she should. Okay? All they do is eat each other's food and fuss about it and then say it's a prank. That's not how prank. Yeah, we know, bro. We know. We've been telling them that. Yeah, they got their own rules to their pranks. That's what they say. Donn finna catch a yeast infection. Sitting like that in them tight shorts. LOL. It's time to toss them. Team D every day, all day, period. Okay. Donn needs to look up the word prank. He is very slow. Nothing dude says makes sense and wearing them tight shorts. Mr. Donn, you wrong for that. Donn, you knew. I don't know what that said. You knew you been there now? Sorry prank. He ain't gonna do a sorry prank. He needs to do a sorry, whatever, Mother's Day coming up, so we're gonna see what he gonna do for her. Right, y'all? We actually really is gonna see if he do something for Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is coming up. Happy early Mother's Day, D. See what I'm saying? Keep doing it. And always put God first, of course. I know Donn ain't the one talking. He be putting his nasty hands in her food too. Oh yeah, that's what she was talking about. They putting their nasty hands on stuff. If only D had a brain, that drink would have been hurled at his face. True, she could have spilled it all over him since he wanted it so bad. She could have put it all on his sweater and everything. She could have did that if she wanted to and still got it and got her own stuff. But you know, I told you, they got a brain, it's just small. A small little peanut brain. They got a brain, but it's very small, you know? It's a very small brain. And then I would go back and get my own food, exactly. He wouldn't get no dinner, nothing from me, exactly. See, I like her. Whoever this is right here, I like that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yo, spilled the drink on him, went in and got your own food, and you ain't getting no dinner, nigga. The fuck you talking about? That's what I'm talking about. Instead of sitting there arguing with him, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, Team D strong all that. I'm weak. Team D and Donn. Okay. Went right over her head. Yeah, man. She wasn't expecting that. Team D all day, every day. She be telling you to kiss her. She be telling you to kiss her. Okay. LOL, D punched the shit out his head. He big mad and wanna put her out the car, right? That was funny. Prank fail, haha, Team D, right? Team D always. He made D go in there and buy him 2 sandwiches and 2 hash browns and 2 drinks. I think you missed the beginning part. He purchased everything. I think you missed that part. She went back in there to get her own stuff at this point. I think this person right here wasn't paying attention. He said he bought it, so he wants half of it. You didn't understand. I don't think you paid attention. Somebody right here, who is this right here? Alexa Walton, your comprehension skills are bad. They're very bad. Very bad. He paid for the first meal. Your comprehension skills are very bad. I'm sorry. Okay? You need to stay in school. Please. Go back to college. Okay, next person. Good Lord, I see why she went in. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. She just gotta control herself. You corny for that, bro. Team D all day, Team Donn. Okay. It's the fact that she really sit there, look at him control and do her any kind of way without her defending herself, and she just yell and repeat the same shit over and over. Yeah, bro, that's what we talking about. Just the same stuff over and over. It's like, he obviously not listening. It's going in one ear and out the other one. We see that? And the winner of the prank wars is YouTube. Just wait on it. Hey, honestly, they need them a couple of plaques. I'm surprised they ain't got no plaques by now, for real, for real. They almost there. 46. Man, we need them at 100K, bro. Why they not at 100K by now? A lot of videos do have a lot of cursing and stuff like that, but it's all educational purposes. If they put educational purposes, they should, you know what I'm saying? They on the way. They on the way. See y'all, bro. See y'all in the next one, man. Hopefully, we know for a fact they're not gonna get it together. We know for a fact they're gonna keep coming with these fake pranks. See y'all in the next video. Peace.